Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, it's a time of science lecture. Open your science books and copies. Today is the Wednesday 14th of April 2021. Students, we have started our chapter number 3, that is time, rate and speed. Today we will do the reading and explanation of this chapter. Yesterday we did about the time. Today we will discuss about the rate. So what is the rate? Student, rate is actually the ratio between 2 points. Ratio between 2 points is known as rate. For example, we are traveling from point A to point B. For example, car is moving, or any object is moving from point A to point B. Then the distance traveled, that how much the distance is traveled. For example, this distance here, from here to here, how much the distance. This distance might be 1 meter or any in how much time. What is the time for traveling from point A to the B? Then this ratio is known as rate. For example, the distance traveled by the car from point A to point B is 1 meter, and the time taken to travel from point A to point B is 60 seconds. So this ratio is known as rate. So student, rate is defined as the ratio between 2 points, and the formula for rate is distance traveled divided by time. Now open your book, student, page number 36. Now read this chapter. Rate is ratio between 2 points. It describes how the quantity changes with another. Rate of petrol consumption, that how much petrol is consumed for traveling from one point to another point. The rate of petrol consumption is the distance traveled by the car for every unit of petrol consumed. So the distance, how much distance is covered in moving from a car from point A to point B, divided by amount of petrol used, the amount of petrol used in traveling the distance. So this ratio is known as rate of petrol consumption. Here is the example given, students. The rate of petrol consumption of Ming Chun's car is 12 km per liter. How much petrol is needed for the car to travel 60 km? We write the formula. Rate of petrol consumption is equal to distance traveled divided by amount of petrol used. Here the distance is 60 kilometers, so we will write the 60 over here divided by amount of petrol used. This is the amount of petrol used. We have to find the amount of petrol used. Then the rate of petrol consumption is 12 km per liter, so we will write the 12 km per liter over here. So by dividing both these values, we will get 5 liters. So the 5 liter is the example. 5 liter is the amount of petrol needed. Next one is rate of volume flow. Rate of volume flow means how much liquid flow from one point to another in how much time. Liquids and gases are things that can flow. Some of our daily activities require us to know or to regulate how fast liquid or gases flow. Can you give some examples of these activities? Here is the formula. The rate of volume flow is defined as rate of volume flow is equal to volume of liquid or gas flowing out. So the rate will be equal to the ratio of volume of liquid or gas flowing out and time taken for the liquid or gas to flow out. For example, if the liquid is moving from point A to point B, then the volume of liquid which is consuming or which is flowing divided by time taken for flowing of liquid from point A to point B, this ratio will be equal to rate of volume flow. So next is the unit for the rate of volume flow is given by the unit for volume divided by the unit for time. So when we divide both these units, we will get the unit of the rate of volume flow. Next, here are some examples shown. Students, open your books, page number 38. The first example is a steady stream of water flows out from tap of a water cooler. If the volume of water collected every 5 meters in 400 centimeter cube, find the rate of water flow in centimeter cube per minute. So simply we will write the formula over here, and then by putting this value we will get the answer of rate of water flow. So students, your classwork is to write both these formula. Formula number 1 is rate of petrol consumption. So formula number 1 is rate of petrol consumption. This formula would be equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. So this is the formula number 1, and formula number 2 is this one, rate of volume flow. So the second formula of rate of volume flow is this would be equal to volume of liquid or gas flowing out divided by time taken. So we will write over here volume of liquid or gas divided by time taken to flow from point A to point B. So your classwork is to write both this formula and learn this. And students, next your classwork is make 10 filling the blanks from page number 32 to 38. You have to make the 10 filling the blanks from page number 32 to 38 and write down both these formula in your copy. So your classwork is to write this formula and make 10 filling the blanks, and your homework is to learn this classwork. Thank you, students.